Good morning, everyone. Before I will give my avid for today, I just want to say shout out to Johan, Yona, Hershey, and Jason. These are the person that I've met here in Canada, and they are very loving family. And yung batang si uh, Johan is telling me, Tita, I'm watching your videos and I subscribe in your YouTube video. Thank you, Johan. God bless you and to the family. Thank you so much. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay. Our avid for today is from Revelation 21, chapter 21, verse 2. It goes like this: I saw the holy city coming down out of heaven from God. So it is a reflection from Jennifer Benson Scott, and the title is a Beautiful Ending. On a warm evening, I met up with friends in a downtown area. We were excited to eat at a restaurant that offered live jazz music outside. But when we arrived, the patio was full. Disappointed, we left and had to walk several blocks to find another place to eat. On earth, disappointments come in all sizes, both big and small. Beloved pets pass away. Careers fizzle. Health problems occur. We lose relationships with loved ones. In our setbacks, we have God's comfort, but our life stories don't always contain the blissful endings we long for. Believers in Jesus, however, have the hope of a joyful eternity. The book of Revelation records God giving John a breathtaking vision. John saw the holy city, the New Jerusalem, prepared as a bride, beautiful dressed for her husband. It radiated God's glory. God would inhabit the place along with all his people. In his city, there would be no crime, no darkness, and no fear. Light, peace, and goodwill would abound. On the night I met my friends for dinner, we ended up walking back past the first restaurant. White lights, the sidewalk, and we stopped to listen to the music. We ate ice cream. I savor the moment, but we know that no earthly joy can compare with the ultimate ending believers will enjoy forever. What are you most looking forward to in the next life? How does the promise of a joyful future encourage you? Dear God, please help me see my pain in the light of eternity, knowing you have a better future prepared for me. And this is true. In heaven, we will not die anymore. We will not have worries, we will not have fears. All is peace and joy, everlasting joy in God's love and God's embraces. To God be the glory. This is your AI acronym individual saying magandang buhay.